Welcome back to Travel and Treasure of Ramblin' Dan Smith. We're at the old 50 Massey Furguson again because I got to do a little work on it. Got to change the oil today. And I had to figure a way to get the oil out of this big can to put 6 quarts in here. So a gallon is 4 quarts, so a gallon and a half would be 6 quarts. And I got a jug to pour the old oil into. It's a brake cleaner to clean everything off with. Big old crescent wrench to take the plugs out with. Right here's the oil drain plug. Let me clean some of this grease off of it. Okay. Get this thing. It might be tight. There she goes. Okay. And they're supposed to warm these engines up. Just want to let you know. So that oil will run a little bit better. She's tight. There she goes. There she goes. Okay, get ready. While the oil's draining over here, and we'll go ahead and get ready to change this filter. Make sure ain't nothing in here. It don't look bad at all. But I still want to check it. Don't want nothing dropping down your engine. It looks pretty good. I'm going to spray a little brake cleaner around it. Get that stuff rinsed off. Okay. Yeah, take my multi-wrench. Big old crescent wrench here. Pull it over here. Just unscrew her. Filter the gasket come off with it. But, I got to unscrew this to get the gasket changed. Wait a minute. Oh. There she is. Just put the other one right back on it. Put your new gasket on there. We'll put her back together. Got the new filter put in. Just screwing it back down. Make sure and get it directly on that filter. You don't want to move that filter. I mean gasket. Okay. You just want to get this snugged up. Don't want to ring on it too much. Now, put the plug back in it. Tighten it up. And I'm going to put the oil back in it. I got to clean this off too. Sounds like a tree falling up here. You don't want to over torque this. Just want it snug down good. Kind of hard to do. One handed here, but that should be good. Okay, now we go to. Now this is Rotella 1540. I know it's supposed to have 30 weight, but a lot of the old timers that I know, you run 1540, so they've run it for years, so that's what I'm running. And we just got oil put in. It looks good now. It was pretty black. Needed changed. Okay, we will start her up and see how she sounds. Here we go. Sounds pretty good. Well, oil change is done. It's getting warm out here. I'm starting to sweat. But it sounded good. The oil looked good. Way better than it did. If you got anything out of this, I appreciate like, share, and subscribe. This is Ramblin' Dan Smith, out.